This dictation will be 100 word per minute. Last study. Start. In view of the instructions issued by the Government of India, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, the Government of Odisha, by the aforesaid resolution, while withdrawing the earlier instructions for fixation of seniority of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, government servants on promotion by virtue of rule of reservation. The state government has issued instructions to the effect that the catch-up principle adopted earlier by the state government in General Administration Department Resolution number 39374 dated 2/11/2000 shall not be followed any longer. It is further ordered that the government servants belonging to SCs, STs shall retain their seniority in the case of promotion by virtue of rule of reservation. It is further clarified that the government servants belonging to general OBC category promoted later will be placed junior to the SC, ST government servants promoted earlier by virtue of rule of reservation. The High Court has allowed the above mentioned writ petition and the connected writ petitions and quashed the aforesaid, mainly on the ground that unless and until the state government makes a law for conferring the benefit of promotion with consequential seniority to SC, ST candidates, they are not entitled to claim seniority in the promoted categories over the general category candidates. The said writ petition is allowed following the judgment of this court. The respondent writ petitioners were appointed to Odisha posts pursuant to selections made by the Odisha Public Service Commission. They were recruited during the years. They were assigned different ranks in the merit list for their respective batches prepared by the Public Service Commission. In the above said merit list, persons belonging to SC, ST category who were appointed against the reserved vacancies were placed below the writ petitioners. Thus, the writ petitioners were senior to appointees belonging to SC, ST category. The respondent writ petitioners were subsequently promoted and appointed in the next higher category. The appellants and some others belonging to category recruited along with the respondent writ petitioners in subsequent batches were given promotion to the rank against reserved vacancies during years as provided under Odisha Reservation of Vacancies in Posts and Services and the rules made thereunder. The seniority of reserved categories and unreserved categories, including that of the writ petitioners, was not finalized by the Public Service Commission since the principles determining seniority inter se what was the subject matter of several litigations. However, it was held that if they wish to exercise their discretion and make such provision, the state has to collect quantifiable data showing backwardness of the class and inadequacy of representation of that class in public employment, in addition to compliance with Article 335 of the Constitution of India. It is further made clear that even if the state has compelling reasons, the state will have to see that its reservation provision does not lead to excessiveness so as to breach the ceiling of 50% or obliterate the creamy layer or extend the reservation indefinitely. Promoted candidates are not entitled to seniority in the promoted post, and if the general category candidate reaches the said post, he is entitled to seniority over the promotees to reserved vacancies. At first instance, the respondent writ petitioners approached the Odisha Administrative Tribunal by filing original application, but the said application was dismissed on the ground that it was premature. Thereafter, respondent writ petitioners have approached the High Court questioning the orders of the tribunal and sought further reliefs for quashment of government resolution and the consequential gradation list. The writ petition is allowed by a common order in a batch of case by the High Court, mainly on the ground that the government resolution can neither be termed as a law in exercise of enabling power of the state under Article 16(4)(a), nor does it satisfy the parameters laid down by this court. The High Court further held that there is no legal basis for such resolution and accordingly quashed the government resolution and consequential gradation list. We have heard learned counsel appearing for the appellants, learned counsel for the state of Odisha, and the learned counsel representing one of the writ petitioners. Learned counsel appearing for the appellants has primarily contended that, as per the judgment, held that it is always open for the state to extend the benefit of reservation with consequential seniority, either by executive order or by way of legislation. When the government has taken decision by way of resolution, same is quashed by the High Court without assigning any valid reasons in the state, and by the said act, benefit of reservation has been extended to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in promotions also. The learned counsel has placed reliance on section 10 of the said act to buttress his submission that, as per the same, the promoted SC/ST candidates are entitled for benefit of seniority. There is neither any legislation to the reserved vacancies with consequential seniority. Having heard the learned counsels on both sides, we have perused the impugned order and other material on record. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation in matters of promotion with consequential seniority to any class or classes of posts in the services under the state in favor of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes which, in the opinion of the state, are not adequately represented in the services under the state. The above said amended constitutional provision makes it clear that in case the state of opinion SC and STs are not adequately represented, a state is empowered to make a provision for reservation in matters of promotion with consequential seniority to any class. When the validity of constitutional amendment was questioned, same was upheld by this court. In the aforesaid judgment, a constitution bench of this court has held that the state is not bound to make reservation for SCs, STs in matters of promotion. However, if they wish to exercise their discretion and make reservations in promotions. Stop. ये डिक्टेशन था, शायद कहीं पे एक दो लाइन छूटा है लास्ट में, थोड़ा सा टाइम देखने के चक्कर में वो डिक्टेशन का कुछ लाइन छूटा है। दो चार जगह कुछ वर्ड कम बोले गए हैं, जिसके लिए सॉरी। अगले डिक्टेशन से मैं कोशिश करूँगा प्रॉपर हो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक्स।